Hey there, I'm Helen Parr, also known as Mrs. Incredible or Elastigirl. I know, superheroes are illegal, but I'm trying to change that, fighting one crime at a time, so that my incredible family can be free to be who they are. Super. Join me as I get ready to take down the screen slaver. Okay, so I already applied my base makeup because I really wanted to focus on creating the sparkle mask and lip. Starting off, I'm taking an easy glide black liner so I could sketch out the mask around my eyes. This is one of my favorites from Urban Decay in Black Velvet. And you could totally use reference photos if you need help with the shape. And don't worry if you mess up. You could always use cotton swabs or makeup wipes until you get it just the way you like it. To fill it in, I'm using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean. I'm being careful around the edges to make sure I stay in the lines and just filling it all in. Now, taking my Urban Decay Moondust palette, I'm going to use that sparkly black shadow to set the mask in. You could use whatever black shadow you want. It doesn't have to be sparkly. I just wanted to glam mine up. So each time I grab more shadow, I like to tap the brush on the palette before I apply to help minimize the fallout. To really make that mask stand out, I added in some NYX glitter in Gunmetal. Bang bang. For this part, I tilted my head back for the top part of the mask and leaned forward to fill in the bottom, and made sure that I applied it in more of a pressing motion than a sweeping motion to help minimize the fallout. Then I lock it all in using my Urban Decay's All-Nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray to help keep it all in place while fighting crime. I also added in some more blush using my L'Oreal's Infallible Paint Palette for a more animated look. Now, Mrs. Incredible's lips are very neutral, but I decided I wanted to add a little bit more pop and pow to the look. So I decided to go with a red lip to match my red super suit. Using my Urban Decay lip pencil in 714, I'm going to line my lips and fill them in with my full throttle lipstick in Firestorm. And for some sparkle and shine, oh yeah, that's right, I'm going to add in some NYX glitter in red along with some chunky glitter that I got from Amazon. Mwah! And there is my superhero transformation of Mrs. Incredible. Let me know what character you want to see me do next in the comment section below. And remember, you have the choice to be the superhero of your own story, fighting for good one day at a time. Yeah.